Dogecoin has fell 32.49% from the all-time highs of 75 cents in the past few days. What does this all mean? Can Doge WONT save us? Well, make sure you watch this whole video because you do not want to miss this insightful information. What's up, everyone? It's Hey Jon. I jabber opportunities nonstop. I am an expert in technical analysis. Every day I make videos and live streams about Dogecoin. I talk about cryptos and I help you guys make a lot of money every day. If you want to make a lot of money every day in cryptos, make sure you subscribe and notify to get these hits. Dogecoin's volume has dropped off significantly. Currently, it's at 21.8 billion, a 47.51% decrease from the previous day, which was at 46.13 billion, essentially a 25 billion difference estimated. This is significant because when volume drops, that means interest drops. And as you know, on Saturday on SNL is when we saw the volume come in bigly, big. Why? Very simple, because on 420, May 8th, all of the day traders, all of the media, so much attention on Dogecoin. And guess what? These day traders came and they traded everything up, creating tons of volatility. Fortunes were made and fortunes were lost. I was telling everyone in the live streams for many days, take some profits. There is no shame in that, because just like 420 on May 8th, if there's one thing I would guarantee to everyone is we will see insane volatility. And guess what? We saw exactly that. Now, we have people like Barry coming out saying, hey, you know what? I am shorting Dogecoin. So when you're shorting Dogecoin, that means you have a margin account. You're leveraging. So who knows how much this individual is leveraging. So Barry is shorting Dogecoin. But you know what I say to Barry? Be careful. Why? Look at Tesla. We had tons and tons of Tesla shorts. And you know, when Elon Musk drops a tweet, exactly, the shorts are gone and nowhere to be seen. So I say to Barry and all the shorts, be careful, take your profits, man, because when Elon tweets, you will be gone and vanished, just like the Tesla shorts. It's happened time and time again, and that is just my food for thought. I am having a Hey Jon Dogecoin inspired art contest. If you want to participate, go into the link down below in the description. I will be choosing 3 winners to win Dogecoin. If you want more details about that, you can go to the link, or you can go directly to my Hey Jon YouTube page and go to the community tab, and all of the details will be there. Dogecoin has fell 33% from the all-time highs. On SNL that day, it fell 43% in a span of 1 hour. That is what you call a flash crash and a dip buying opportunity. Okay, so many folks in the live stream were able to buy, and many folks were not able to buy because they were on Robinhood, and Robinhood decided to take a 10 to 20 minute stinker because of server overload. And it happens, it's unfortunate. Folks were definitely upset, as they should be, right? Because they wanted to sell and they weren't able to. But as you know, these things happen, and it simply is what it is. Hopefully in the future though, they will get their act together and just resolve the issue and not have these temporary outages. Currently for Dogecoin, we are seeing a pullback. Even though we are at all-time highs here, we are seeing a pullback in the charts, in the technicals. In the short term, it is quite bearish. We're seeing it go down and fast. And why is that? It's because we saw significant sell volume, right? About 1.64 billion on May 8th. that was a lot of sells right there. Plenty of sells and plenty of buys, but overall, there were more sells, and that's kind of why we are coming down right now. Currently on the 4-hour time frame, we are looking pretty bearish here. Why? Because we are seeing a sharp downward trend line. Let me show you what it is. All right, it'll be this turquoise line here. All right, right here. This turquoise line coming down here is your downward trend line, and it is going at a very high velocity. It's very sharp. This tells me that if we cannot break it in the near-term future here, this means we will continue going lower and lower. It's unfortunate, but it is what it is. This means people in Dogecoin are no longer hyped about Dogecoin. And as you know, Dogecoin has a lot of hype behind it. There's a media cycle here, and the media cycle is complete. It ended with on May 8th with Elon Musk having the Dogecoin skit, DOGEFATHER. That was a big anticipation, the big run up. We saw Orlando, the baseball team take Dogecoin. We saw Gemini, we saw eToro, we saw many other platforms accepting Dogecoin as a currency to trade and buy. So with that being said, that added to the fuel to fire it up. However though, currently we are seeing the news cycle die down, so Dogecoin may just consolidate and come back down and do some price discovery to see what the actual smart price is. So the only thing we can do now is wait and see, and all we know for sure is that we are currently in a downtrend line here, and that makes sense because we saw a huge sell-off here. So until we get the next big news cycle, for now we are going to continue trading down because now we are below the 50-day moving average. So if we do this for about 5 or 6 more days here, this means that we will continue going lower, and this means the bears are in control. So we need Elon Musk, we need the community to get behind of Dogecoin, and we need to take care of people like Barry. We need to short his squeeze, okay? We gotta squeeze the heck out of him so he gets out of here, and all of the other shorts here who want to get into Dogecoin and bring it down. So that's what we gotta see. And in order for it to turn around, we have to huddle as a community together. If you put stop losses or trailing stop losses here, guess what? You'll be targeted and your trade will get triggered. It's happened time and time again. And I was telling folks in the live stream, please do not put sell limits, do not put stop losses, because you'll be targeted and they will trigger it. And that's why you're seeing such a huge flash crash, because they are moving it down with leverage real quick there and targeting every single one, every single big stop loss point, and boom, it triggered. And that triggered, that triggered, that triggered. So, but you know what? It's okay. The lesson learned. Hopefully some folks learned here. It's unfortunate that you have to pay the Doge gods a favor by paying them money, by losing your money. But you know what? In the stock market, they call that paying your tuition. And you better believe I paid my tuition. That's why I'm aware of it now. But make sure you get subscribed and notified so when I go live, you catch these hits.